What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about skincare prepping before your makeup. I'm going to show you what I use for myself and what I use on my clients. First things first is the water. We gotta drink lots of water. Stay hydrated, my friends. If your skin looks like hell, your makeup will look like hell, just times 10. So first thing I go in with my toner is this Circadia toner. It's very gentle because I do have rosacea, amongst other things. And I just spray it on my hand and apply it to my face very gently. I love this toner, it's great. For my kit, I use this Burts Bee's Rose Water Toner. I try to keep to more natural ingredients when it comes to my kit because I don't want anybody to have an allergic reaction. And then here, the next step is a serum. I use the Ordinary. It kind of burns a little bit, so I wouldn't recommend this for your makeup kit. For my kit, I use the Cover FX drops. They are beautiful. They're so calming on the skin. No complaints whatsoever with that. Next, after applying all of that serum all the way down to your neck, you want to go in with some eye cream. I use the JLO Beauty eye cream. It's luxury in a bottle. I love it. It's so moisturizing and lightweight, and it just does the job. Like, I stopped using this and I noticed like massive dark circles under my eyes. So it definitely does help. For my kit, I use the Ole Henriksen Brightening Eye Cream. This stuff is so good, but it's hella expensive. But it does brighten the under eye, and it kind of has that yellowish orange tint to it to eliminate those dark circles. But with eye cream, because it's a little bit of a more moisturizing product, I like to put it in the fine lines as well as under the eyes. So on the forehead where those lines form, and on the smile dimple lines. Next, I'm going in with my moisturizer. I use this one from JLO Beauty. I love it because not only is it luxurious and moisturizing, but it has the SPF in it already, so I don't have to apply an additional product. I believe it's SPF 30, and I put it all the way down to my neck, closer to my chest, behind my ears, on my ears, anywhere I can, I will put this on. It's just that good. And then for my kit, I use, again, very basic products. For example, Aveeno or Cerave. I go back and forth between them. I'm not really loyal to any specific one. However, that Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream hits so differently. That is another one. It's luxury in a bottle. Might actually go back to that one as well. And then for lip care, basic. I use Vaseline for my makeup kit. I just use some lip balm, whatever one I can find. These Pixi detoxifying eye pads are cool. They're very cooling. They hydrate, but I wouldn't recommend to put them on before makeup because I did that one time, and the product started like peeling away as I was like applying makeup on. So use these for like nighttime routine, no makeup, just going to bed type of thing, and then you wash your face in the morning anyways. So that's what I use these for, but they are pretty cool. They were very affordable as well. In regards to like hydrating your under eye and having that cooling effect, I think these are pretty cool, but not for your makeup kit. And then any excess product, I just kind of rub it on my hands, down my neck again. You really want to focus on the neck, that's super important. And that's it, guys. That wraps up this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.